Your resume is your first impression to potential employers. It's important to create a good one that showcases your experience and your abilities. Here are some tips on how you can create a good resume. Number one, start with a strong headline. Your headline should be clear and concise, highlighting your most relevant experience. Number two, use bullet points. Bullet points make it easier for employers to quickly scan and find out your accomplishments. Number three, quantify your achievements. Numbers help quantify your achievements and show the impacts you made on the previous roles. Number four, tailor your resume to the job you are applying for. Make sure your resume highlights the skills and experience that are most relevant to the job you are applying for. Number five, keep it concise. Your resume should be 1 or 2 pages at most, with plenty of white spaces and easy to read fonts.
Number 6. Error-free. Prepare your resume for spelling and grammar errors. A mistake-free resume shows attention to detail and professionalism. The final one, contact information. Make sure your contact information is up to date and easy to find. This includes your name, phone number, email address, and LinkedIn profile. Let me tell you another note. Use a pro picture, like this one, and even like this one. It's me. The note is your picture on the resume is not your picture that you post on your Instagram account. As you can see, this one. This is not a good picture for a resume because your face is not shown. Shoot a picture like the passport and put it on your resume. This is better, and these are not acceptable, and the person who is going to watch your resume, he thinks that your resume is not a professional one. If this content helped you, don't forget to press the like button. And if you want to know how to create a resume, I'm going to tell you how to create a resume from scratch, and the post-it will be appear in here. Click on that.